2, 1. Boom, let's go.
I rock with it. Locks under my socks fitted. Tahoe with the black tint. Houston girl, heavy accent, but my whole swag is magic. High five, fantastic. Make the money stretch like elastic. Making moves that you couldn't imagine. Niggas still watching my calories, just to pull in that big boy salary. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and bomb. Is
that a Supra? So that's Juan Diesel, aka my cookie dealer. We're gonna go racing today. You ready for this?
Save it for the track.
Holy. UPS truck over there. Roller shots provided by us. Wow. I'm calling the cops. God damn, look at that. What a beautiful day, man. Toll booth. Hello. She thinks I got an easy pass because I got a cool car. I'm broke. Speed? No, I never went over the speed limit once. Thank you. I'm gonna now proceed with no speeding. Cheese. Thank you. All right, let's eat some healthy breakfast. Oh, don't send this to my trainer. He'll be mad. He'll be real mad. We've done worse on a Rolls Royce.
Jeez. That's out of my price range. Way out of my price range.
Me too.
It's alright. I got a V12 in here. You know, I'll keep up next time. So what is it? Okay.
24, 34, 46. What you dick and what you get, sure.
That's it, baby. We made it. Oh, God.
Camaro.
Oh, my favorite color. Oh, I'm so excited. Cheese. All right, guys, so they're prepping the track right now with this doohickey. Glue? Yeah, so it's literally an adhesive that they put down on the track. What? I'm gonna lose a shoe. Holy shit.
Dave, how you feeling? First time going on the track?
A little nervous.
You're fine. You're looking good.
Like it's going fast at the end. I'm like, holy shit, it don't feel normal. You know there was more? I was like, I pedaled in the beginning because I was like, this is too fast. I've never looked like that. You're the owner?
I'm the owner.
Oh, Dave, nice to meet you.
Ashley, nice to meet you.
I got this slow thing over here.
Yeah. Let me know if you need help driving it.
What do you?
Yo, David. So how's the Lambo running?
Bro, look at my head, bro. I'm sitting like this, so I can fit in it. Look, I can't even put my head straight. I like my Mclaren way more. But it's fun. It's nerve-wracking in someone else's car, though.
Yo, David,
Let me get my camera set up.
what'd you say about the GoPro?
I'm gonna face it backwards.
Why?
For rear viewing pleasure. Ferrari. 765 got it. Quick car. He did screw up his launch, so I'm interested in seeing what they do, like perfectly launched next to each other. I didn't build up any boost in my launch either, but I'm figuring it out. The price you pay for content. That's brand new tires. Damn. Wow, look how little this trunk is.
The hood up.
Did you?
Like, we closed it and it scared me because it literally got stuck.
Step on it with your foot. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Cookie and Mrs. Cookie Dealer right over here. Thank you for having us. Without them, this great day would have not happened. So I'm extremely grateful to be here. Take a look at their channel. They're growing right now. What's the @?
My cookie dealer's on Instagram, but if you want to do my YouTube, it's just Juan Morel.
Juan Morel on YouTube. Go follow him, subscribe, like, throw a comment down. Oh, look at these. Look at these pythons, bro. He is not ready for that. You see, I just started going to the. Oh, God damn. That's real horsepower.
My cookie dealer power.
My cookie dealer power. Well, no gas. We don't need gas where we're going though.
I don't get it.
I don't either. I'm just trying to make light of it, all right? Woo, sweating. Britain. Word. England. Yep, English car. Have a good day. God bless. Where is he? Where is he? I think he's gone. Whoa. Oh, there it is. Oh, we almost caught him. All right. We got him. It's Tokyo time, baby. Flip it. JT VIP NYC free roller action. Oh, look at that backdrop. So we flipped the script. I got Jack here doing the tougher driving. I'm not really cut out for this. Yeah. Jack really wanted to drive a Mclaren, and I really didn't want to sit in bumper-to-bumper traffic. So, cue in Jack driving. The man behind the camera. How's it feel? Does it feel fast?
You know what? I was expecting it to be
Faster?
a lot faster. You know, I'm not gonna lie.
No. Oof. Listen, right there, that's what we're afraid of. Tesla. Thank God I have my personal driver here. This 765 LT taxi is great. Honestly, best driver yet. All right, guys, so we're back at my shop after a very exciting first time at the track. I've had a couple days to kind of reflect on my track day. This is my first time on a track, so please take that into consideration. This car is quicker than what I was able to do. So we did a 9.622 and a 9.825. That was pretty much the fastest times that we had. With that being said, this car is on Michelin PS4S tires. It was about a 90-degree day, 95 degrees on the track when we were running. So between you and I think with the right tires, with the right temperatures, I could get this car down in the 9.3s. We'll see if we make our way back to the track to go for that 9.3. Now, if you do know, you are not allowed to go in a car without a roll cage under 10 seconds. So once we start hitting these 9.6s, 9.8s, I was a lot of the video feathering the throttle. There's a couple clips even where you hear halfway down the track, I let off the throttle entirely and then I get back into it. This was to stay above that 10-second run. This car didn't really want to stay above 10 seconds, but we tried our best. So what I want to address right now is what was it like drag racing this car or any car for the first time on a drag strip. I threw the vehicle in launch mode when I was launching, but before that, on my way up to the line, I would put this vehicle in burnout mode. So burnout mode, which I've explained in another video, will allow the tires to build some heat into the tires. That was extremely important when it came to launching this car, was getting some heat in the tires. Otherwise, you did just spin right out the gate. As far as launching the car, I'd throw traction control back on. I didn't feel comfortable enough, especially for my first time on a track, to leave traction control off on this car. So I turned it off to do my burnout mode, and then as I'm backing back up, I would put the launch control on with traction in ESC Dynamics. So you guys are gonna watch some clips of me going down. I can tell you right out the gate, my first few runs was a bunch of, oh shit, this is about to happen. This thing was like a bat out of hell. I mean, it's like nothing I've ever driven. I was doing low 2 second 0 to 60s. I'm on not competition or even really sticky tires, and the car just pulled and held down to the track. So I want to kind of congratulate Mclaren again. As we all know, it's amazing how a 750 wheel horsepower car that only weighs 2,900 pounds just goes down the track. One of the scarier things when you get to the back of the track, so you're going about 140, 150 miles an hour when you get to the end of the quarter mile, then the pavement changes. So you're on this perfectly prepped, smooth road, and then all of a sudden you hit this rumbly, kind of like not so prepped, not so good condition road at the end. And that's when it gets scary, because your natural instinct is, oh shit, let me grab on the brakes. And what I learned, the smarter thing was kind of to let it roll out and slowly grab the brakes as I was going by. We did a couple runs with the Ferrari F8. While my car was cool and running appropriately, I was putting about 5 miles an hour on trap speed on them. Definitely a close competitor, I'm sure, with a tune. The F8 is a car that the 765 will actually compete very, very close to. Juan did actually pick up a Tesla plate or plaid model, which I kind of don't want to race with, because as you guys have already seen, their quarter miles and 0 to 60s, even on the streets, are obliterating everything. I will say this, it's not a supercar, so you know, that's my take. Now, let's roll into another conversation. Let's talk about the Lamborghini Huracan. So that's my partner's Lamborghini. I was trying. What were we trying to break into? The 10s? I think I kept hitting 11s. The biggest issue I had with that car, I couldn't get the car to launch appropriately. Now, it has launch mode, but unlike my Mclaren that I have a burnout mode where I could get some heat in the tires right before, there's no way to burn out in the Huracan that I've seen where you can, smash the gas and let it, cook up some heat in the tires. Because of that, every time you launch this car, the first 0 to 30 was just all spin. And that's the new Evo rear-wheel drive. I think that car is probably a 10.5 car, given a good launch and sticky conditions. So if you guys made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and please throw a like, throw a comment. You guys are the reason this channel will continue to exist. We want to hear ideas from you guys. Go in the comment section, let us know what you want to see next, whether with this car, the motorcycle, a Lamborghini. We have some cool creative content. Jack, who's behind the camera, me and him have some great ideas that we're going to bring to this channel that I think a lot of you guys will enjoy, including some of how I started my businesses and how I got to where I am today. And we hope to see you guys on the next video. So subscribe and stay tuned.
Anything is possible.